is a day in town. We've been here in Grand Junction for 1 week, so we're gonna go load up on some groceries, get a video uploaded, and Baron has to get measurements done for a tuxedo he's wearing for a wedding in June.
Yay. Especially tomorrow morning.
Go up one size with the jacket, like super fitted.
Okay.
Like a tailored suit would be.
Did it. I think it's stupid that you rent a tux for like pushing $200 and they're only worth like $500. That just seems like a complete racket. But I think, yeah. And then if you don't bring it back, it's 20 bucks a day after that. The whole thing, and weddings are just a racket, but that's okay. It's part of the thing.
We're gonna have fun!
It's gonna be so fun.
It really will be fun.
Can I have the keys? My buddy called me and he was like, yeah dude, you can go to any men's warehouse, so it should be no problem. And when he called, we were 240 miles from the nearest stoplight. So I was like, well, normally that would be no issue, but... So I'm really glad to have that done. It was kind of stressing me out. Now what?
Our internet struggles have been so real recently. I don't know why, but sometimes we'll have full bandwidth, full access to internet, and then all of a sudden it'll drop. Our WeBoost doesn't seem to make much of a difference because there's just no bandwidth.
We're connected and it shows 4 bars or whatever, but through that tower there's just no throughput.
Even in town, we're not getting very good internet service, so we're gonna move tomorrow. We don't know where because we don't have any internet, but we're gonna leave and we're gonna find a spot. We're not moving because we don't have internet, but it's part of it.
Oil and butter, and then we'll make some eggs. Once these get about done, we'll throw some eggs in. Right? Put them together.
Yep. Sit. Okay. Good boy. I started a new hobby last week of beading earrings. I love making stuff, but the problem is my stuff is really big, so it takes up a lot of room in the Scamp. And it doesn't bother me, but it bothers Baron. So these beads are really small, and it's the perfect hobby for me. It's really fun. I have been designing them on my iPad, and then I make them. I'm gonna have these up for sale on my website in June, so keep your eyes peeled. I'm really stoked.
Why don't you read a book?
What book are you reading?
21 Lessons for the 21st Century by Yuval Noah Harari. Also, I published 2 blog posts today, so you should check those out. One's kind of rambling about finding direction and cultural direction, and the other is about a time that I meditated right next to a wild rattlesnake.
Whoa. The problem I'm having with this internet not working is that all these Game of Thrones spoilers are coming out and I haven't been able to watch it. They were even spoiling it on the TV at Men's Warehouse. There was something talking about Arya, and I had to... It's pretty outside. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you have not already, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you like what we're doing, share it with your friends or people who might also be interested. We will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good boy.